Hey, here's a cool song from Michael Jackson's Dangerous. This one is called Who Is It? And the song is in D minor. Here's a D minor for you, D, F and A. We're also going to need A minor, which you could play up here. But if we put that E down the bottom, it's much closer to the last one. So D minor, A minor. See, not too far away. We're also going to need G minor. I might play it there. I might put the D on the bottom and play it there. We're also going to need A major later in the song, B flat major for the bridge, E flat and C. But don't worry about all of them at once, because let's just start with the verse. And the verse is just D minor and that A minor. I'm actually going to play it there, all 4 notes, to make it sound fuller. So we go kind of rhythm. Alright, let's see if we can give it a go. I gave her money, I gave her time, I gave her everything inside that heart could find. It's actually inside one heart, inside one heart could find. You notice at the end there we went D minor, A minor 3 times. I gave her everything, and then we went to G minor, which you could make 7, G minor 7. Inside one heart could find. And that A major could actually be A dominant 7 if you like. Sounds a little bit more cooler, a little bit jazzier, but it works. Let's carry on. I gave her passion, my very soul, yeah. I gave her promises and secrets so untold, and she promised me forever that one day we'd live as one. And now we've got a new section. So we had B flat major there, and secrets, G minor to A7, so untold, to B flat major for this pre-chorus. She promised me forever and a day we'd live as one. That one there was A minor again, and that one was D minor. Let's try both of those as 7s. Minor 7, and go again. She promised me forever and a day we'd live as one. We made our vows, we'd live a life anew. And she promised me in secret that she'd love me for all time. It's a promise so untrue. Let's see if I can hit that note. It's a promise so untrue. That's E flat major. Tell me what will I do? I shied away from it, but I can just about reach those notes. It's a promise so untrue on E flat major. Tell me what will I do? And that's A7 again to finish off that section before we go back to the verse. And it doesn't seem to matter, and it doesn't seem right. This actually is like slightly different. This is like a chorus, but similar to those verse chords. And it doesn't seem to matter, D minor to A minor. And it doesn't seem right. Second time there we go to C. So there is a slight difference to that first one, the verse. 'Cause the winter's brought up no fortune, still I cry alone at night. D minor, A minor, G minor, A7, and again. Don't you judge of my composure, 'cause I'm lying to myself. And the reason why she left me, did she find it someone else? Who is it? Back to the B flat major. Is it a friend of mine? Who is it? And now we've got a rhythm, we've got to get it right. I didn't play it quite right there. It's B flat major. Who is it? Is it a friend of mine? That C comes in like that. Ba, 2, 3, ba, I think it comes in in between beats. It's is it my brother? Who is it? Is it my brother? Who is it? It comes in on is. Who is it? Somebody hurt my soul now. Who is it? Well, I can't take this stuff no more. And back to the A7 again to round off the section. That is definitely the chorus there. Who is it? Right, verse 2, D minor. I am the damned, I am the dead, I am the agony, the dying head. I am the agony inside the dying head. Should have sang that. Alright. This is injustice. Woe unto thee. I pray this punishment will have mercy on me. And she promised me forever that she'd live a life as one. We made our vows to live a life so true. It seems that she has left me for such reasons unexplained. I need to find the truths, but see what will I do? That was the pre-chorus that we covered already earlier. B flat, A minor and D minor 3 times, and then E flat major, A7, back to the hook, D minor. And it doesn't seem to matter and it doesn't seem right, cause the will is bright, no fortune, still I cry alone at night. Don't you judge of my composure, cause I'm bothered every day. And she didn't leave a letter, she just stopped and ran away. Who is it? Is it a friend of mine? Who is it? Is it my brother? Who is it? Somebody hurt my soul now. Who is it? Well, I can take it cause I'm lonely and it doesn't seem to matter and it doesn't seem right. That will is problem fortune where I'm crying alone and I don't you judge of my composure. I'm lying to myself and the reason why she left me, did she find it someone else? Who is it? And that actually goes around again. Get carried away there. It actually goes around again. It's a great song, probably one of my favorites from the album. Definitely underrated. Never heard it in a nightclub. Don't know why. Would love to hear it if I went out on a night out. Man, why don't they play any of the songs from Dangerous in these bars? Maybe some places do. Anyway, couple songs left from the album to teach. Still got to do Give In To Me, Can't Let Her Get Away, Will You Be There, Keep the Faith, Gone Too Soon, and Dangerous at the end. Hopefully you enjoyed this one, Who Is It? And I'll see you for these other ones coming up. Check out the other songs I'm teaching on the channel. You can always like and subscribe if you haven't already, if you enjoyed it, and comment if you have other songs you want to learn. I can look into that for you. And check out this Roland FP-30X piano if you don't have one already. Links in the description and the pinned comment, which does help the channel. Thanks again.